Good morning class 3. Today we are starting a new chapter of English 2 and the topic of this chapter is home sweet home. So now let's warm up. Match the animal to its home. So we have to match these animals to its home. Okay. So where do birds live? Birds live in a nest. Spider lives in a spider's web. Fish lives in a water. Fox lives in a den and bee lives in a beehive. Okay. So now let's start the chapter. One day Mole finds that he is tired of cleaning his house. He leaves his hole which is deep in the ground and goes out into the world in search of fun. He meets Rat who lives by a river bank. Together the two go on many adventures with their animal friends. But suddenly one day Mole starts to miss his home. What is he going to do now? So this story is about Mole and Rat. Okay, so what is mole? A mole is a small animal with soft dark fur, a long nose and small eyes which lives underground. Okay, so mole is like mouse. Okay. So one day when Mole was cleaning his house, he finds out that he was very much tired of cleaning his house and he wanted to go outside to enjoy. Okay, so he decided to leave his hole which was deep onto the ground and goes out into the world in search of fun. So when he was out, he meets Rat who lives by the river bank. So they together became best friends and they two go on many adventures together and along with their other animal friends. Okay, so but suddenly one day Mole started to miss his home again. Okay, so now let's find out what does a mole do. One cold evening in December, Mole and Rat were walking home after a long day's outing. So on a cold evening, it was on a December, Mole and Rat, they were walking along home after a long day outing. So outing means a short trip for fun. Okay. It was quite dark by the time they reached a village. Only the windows panes on the either side of the street shone from the light glowing in each cottage. Mole and Rat peeped through a few windows and saw a family at the dining table, another in the drawing room chatting and laughing. So it was quite dark by the time they reached their village. Okay, so when they were walking on the both sides there were cottages. Okay, there were houses, only they can see the light glowing from the window. Okay, so Mole and Rat, they peeped means to see. Okay, so they peeped through a few windows and saw a family at the dining table and another family at the drawing room chatting and laughing together. Okay, so can you see Mole and Rat, they are looking through window. Suddenly a gust of cold wind hit their backs. Come on, we have got a long way to go, whispered Rat gently, and the two walked along, eager for the warmth and safety of home. So what is gust means? Gust means a sudden strong wind. So suddenly when they were looking through window, a sudden strong cold wind hit their back. Okay, so Rat gently whispered to Mole, come on, we have a long way to go. So now let's walk. So and then they two walked along their home safely. Okay. That was when Mole smelled a very familiar smell. He sniffed the air eagerly and tried to remember what was it. So when they were walking along their home, a Mole smelled a very familiar smell. So familiar means a well known from before. Okay, so he smelled a very well known smell. Okay, so he sniffed the air eagerly and tried to remember what was it. So he smelled the air properly and he did like this. he did like this and he tried to remember what was it. Okay, he stood still, his nose twitching, breathing the scent and trying to understand what it was telling him. So he stood still in one place and he tried to smell the smell again and again, and he was trying to find out what it was telling him. Okay, in a flash he knew it was the smell of his home, the one he had left many months ago because he was tired of cleaning. He knew his house was somewhere close by. So in a flash means very quickly. Okay, so very quickly he knew that it was the smell from his home. Okay, of his home. Okay, so it was the smell of his home, the home he left months ago. Okay, so he tried months ago. Okay, so he tried to find out his home because he knew that it was somewhere very near to him. Oh, how he longed to return to it. Of course, it was the smell, not as neat as rats, but it was his. He had been so happy in it. The house too was missing him. It sent out smells to remind him of home, as if it were begging him to come back. Mole he find out that it was the smell of his home, and when he smelled the smell of his home, he was very much eager to return back to his home. Okay, so of course he's saying to himself that of course it is not as neat as a rat's home, but it is my home. So he is saying to himself, and he is very much happy. And he is very much happy to return back to his home because he was missing his home. Okay, and it seems that his home was also missing him because the home, it sent out the smell to remind him of his home, and as if the home is saying to Mole that the home is missing him. Okay, and the home is begging him to come back to home. Okay, Ratty, Mole called out suddenly, "It's my home, I can smell it, it's somewhere here." Mole was almost in tears. So Mole is calling Ratty, and he is saying that it's my home. So this smell is my home. I can smell my home and it is somewhere near us. Okay, so Mole was in tears saying to Rat, okay, let's find your home. No need to get upset about it, said Rat. So Rat said to Mole that let's find out then. You do not have to get upset. Okay, we will find out your home. Mole sniffed the air once more. As he picked up the scent again, he ran forward and Rat followed him down a narrow passageway until they reached the front door with Mole end painted on the board beside. Mole opened the door and went in, lit a lamp and looked around. So Mole, he again sniffed the air properly and as he smelled the smell properly, he ran towards the smell. Okay, and Rat followed him. Okay, down a narrow passageway. A passageway means a small path. Okay, so at last Mole find out the door of his home where it was written Mole End, and then Mole opened the door and went inside his home and lit a lamp and looked around. Okay. "Oh Ratty," he cried, why did I ever bring you to this poor, cold and dusty place when you could have been in your riverbank house having dinner by the fire? So Mole, he was very upset and he said to Rat that why did I bring you to this poor, dusty and cold house, when you have so nice home, near river, and you could have been having dinner by the fire. So he is regretting, okay, so he is regretting but Rat was not listening. He was running here and there, opening doors to rooms and cupboards and lighting more lamps. "What a cozy little house you have, Molly," he cried out cheerily. So when Mole was saying that, "Why did I ever bring you to this poor house?" So Rat was not listening to Mole. Okay, so he was running here and there, opening doors to rooms and lighting more lamps. Okay, so Rat is saying to Mole that, "What a cozy little house you have." He was very happy, and he is saying that you have a very cozy house. "So well planned, just the right size. Oh, look at the bunk bed. I love them. You dust the place and set the table. I'll light the fire and bake some scones for supper. Have you some jam, old champ?" So Mole was very happy. Rat was very happy, and he was running here and there, and he is saying that you have a well planned house, just the right size. And so what is bunk bed? Bunk bed means the bed that are placed on top, okay, placed on top of the other. So, "Oh, look at the bunk bed. I love them." So Rat is saying to Mole. So he is saying that you dust the place, you clean the place, I will set the table, and I will light the fire and bake some scones for supper. So scones means it's like a cake, okay, for supper. So he is asking that, "Do you have some jam?" Okay. "Yes, I do. The best plum jam in the world." So Mole is saying to Rat that, "Yes, I have jam, the best plum jam in the world." Soon Rat and Mole were sitting by the fire with a batch of hot scones dripping with jam. That was when they heard the shuffling of small feet and the murmur of tiny voices. So when they were sitting by the fire with a hot scones means cake, okay, hot scones dripping with jam, they heard the noise of shuffling means a noise. Shuffling means a sound of dragging feet, okay. So when they were sitting there, they heard the sound of dragging feet and the murmur of tiny voices, okay. "Who can it be?" asked Rat. "Oh, that must be the field mice. They come carol singing. It's Christmas season, remember," said Mole. So Rat is asking to Mole that, "Who can it be? Who is it?" So Mole is saying that must be field of mice. They have come for carol singing, okay. So because it's Christmas time, it's Christmas season, so they have come for carol singing, okay. "Let's invite them in. I'm sure they would like a mug of hot cocoa," cried Rat, jumping up and running to the door. So Rat said that, "So let's invite them also. So let's invite them for Christmas dinner. I'm sure they will like a mug of hot cocoa," okay. So Rat, he went to open the door for field mice, okay. Oh how the mice loved the scones and cocoa. As they sang a few more carols, Mole and Rat joined them, happy to spread some Christmas cheer by sharing their dinner. So the mice, they loved the scones and cocoa, okay. So they were very happy, and they sang more Christmas carols, and Mole and Rat, they also joined them, and they were very happy sharing their dinner, okay. So can you see that in the picture? Everyone is looking very happy, right? Molly, old champ, I'm sleepy. Is the lower bunk yours? Then I'll take the top one, said Rat. Soon after the carol singers had left, he climbed up, pulled the blanket over himself, and soon was fast asleep. So, Rat is saying to Mole that I am feeling very sleepy. Okay. So, is the lower bunk yours? Is the lower bed yours? Then I will take the top one. He is saying to Rat is saying to Mole after the carol singer had left. Okay, so Rat was very much sleepy, so he climbed up and pulls the blanket over himself, and he was fast asleep. A little later, Mole stretched himself and sighed happily. How wonderful to be back in his own bed. Ah, nothing like home sweet home, he said to himself as he closed his eyes. So a little later, after Rat was asleep, Mole also stretched himself and sighed happily, and he was feeling very wonderful to be back to his home. Okay, and he was very happy, and he said to himself that nothing like home sweet home, and he closed his eyes and he was asleep. Okay, so what is the moral of this story? So the moral of this story is nothing is like home. Okay, we go in our vacation, we visit our family, we visit our friends' home, isn't it? So, but nothing feels like home. Home is the only closest place. Okay, home is very close to our heart. Thank you, class 3.